Logic is the foundation on which all scientific thought is based, as it provides a systematic and rational way of reasoning that allows scientists to make sense of the world around them. In the field of science, logic plays a fundamental role in the process of formulating hypotheses, conducting experiments, and drawing conclusions based on evidence. One of the key aspects of logic in scientific thought is its emphasis on consistency and coherence. In order for a scientific theory to be considered valid, it must be logically sound and free from contradictions. By using logical reasoning, scientists are able to detect inconsistencies in their arguments and correct them, leading to a more accurate understanding of the natural world. Logic also helps scientists to identify and evaluate evidence in support of their hypotheses. When conducting an experiment, scientists learn logical reasoning to interpret data and draw conclusions based on evidence at hand. By using logical principles, scientists are able to distinguish between correlation and causation, thereby avoiding the pitfalls of faulty reasoning and misleading conclusions. Logic serves as a tool for predicting future outcomes based on existing knowledge. Through the use of deductive reasoning, scientists are able to make informed predictions about the behavior of natural phenomena and test the validity of their predictions through experimentation. By applying logical principles to their research, scientists are able to advance our understanding of the world and make meaningful contributions to the field of science. Logic plays a crucial role in the process of peer review and critical evaluation in science. When scientists submit their research for publication, it undergoes a rigorous review process in which experts in the field assess the logical soundness of the arguments and the validity of the evidence presented. By adhering to logical principles, scientists can ensure that their work that standards of scientific rigor and is deserving of recognition in the scientific community. Logic helps to establish the foundation of scientific knowledge by providing a framework for organizing and structuring information. Through the use of logical reasoning, scientists are able to draw connections between different pieces of evidence, identify patterns, and formulate general principles that govern the behavior of the natural world. By building on this foundation of logical reasoning, scientists are able to construct theories and models that explain complex phenomena and predict future outcomes. Logic serves as a means of identifying and correcting errors in scientific thinking. By applying logical principles to their work, scientists are able to detect fallacies and biases that may distort their reasoning and leading to erroneous conclusions. By being rigorous in their use of logic, scientists can ensure the reliability and validity of the research findings and prevent the spread of misinformation in the scientific community. Logic provides scientists with a set of tools for evaluating the validity of competing theories and interpretations. When multiple hypotheses are put forward to explain a particular phenomenon, scientists rely on logical reasoning to assess the strength of the evidence supporting each hypothesis and determine which explanation is most consistent with the available data. By employing logical principles in their evaluation, scientists can make informed decisions about which theories are most likely to be worthy of further investigation. Logic helps scientists to communicate their findings effectively to the wider scientific community and the general public. By presenting their research in a logical, coherent manner, scientists can convey the significance of their work and make their arguments more persuasive to others. By allowing the principles of logic in their writing and presentations, scientists can ensure that their ideas are well structured, well supported, and easily understood by others. Logic serves as the foundation on which all scientific is based, providing scientists with a systematic and rational way of reasoning and that allows them to make sense of the natural world. By applying logical principles to their research, scientists are able to formulate hypotheses, conduct experiments, evaluate evidence, and draw meaningful conclusions that advance our understanding of the world. Through the use of logic, scientists can ensure the reliability and validity of their findings, communicate their ideas effectively to others, and contribute to the growth of knowledge in their respective fields. Theoretically, scientific thought is based on sound logic. Is it always the case, or scientists sometimes use unverifiable evidence and conjectures to support their views and theories?